For this lesson, we're going to talk about some basic strumming patterns. You'll have to learn some terminology first, though. We're going to use arrows and we're going to use numbers. Arrows pointing down means you're going to strum from up to down, low to high. Arrows pointing up mean you're going to strum from high up to low. If you see X, that means you're not going to strum anything. That's the rest. In this lesson, you'll see numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those 4 indicate beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's recap briefly before we move on. The arrows are pretty self-explanatory. Down means down. Up means up. X means don't do anything. That's the rest. I'm muting the strings because I don't want to be caught up and do my chord tones sound clean. Not yet anyway. I'm gently squeezing the neck so that I can just focus on the patterns. Down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. You ever wonder why it looks like I'm moving fast, but I'm only hitting a slower strum? I always wondered that. What's happening there is I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's helpful to keep the thing flowing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All of these were down strokes. Try an upstroke. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Likewise, you could just do upstrokes. It's like a reggae strum. Point being is you got to learn the basic symbology, the basic vocab, and then you got to play with it and get some reps in. And you can go downstrokes, upstrokes. You can do both, the combination thereof. For the sake of tuning into wellness, it's helpful to match your breathing with the rhythm. You get to control that. That's the whole joy and the peace and the calm, knowing that you're in control of that. You go as slow as you need to. For this lesson, I'm not using a pick. I'm just using my thumb because I want to get comfortable with downstrokes and upstrokes. Now it's your turn. At this point, you got to get some reps in, and I'll see you in the next lesson.